Okay, so the next part will be the identification of the amplitude. So how do I know which particles are at their amplitude position? So first thing first, let's define what is the amplitude. So amplitude is the maximum displacement, right, from the equilibrium position. Okay, so if I draw the graph of displacement against distance graph, so the green color shaded line is what we call equilibrium. So the maximum displacement is from this part, from the top to the equilibrium point. So this is known as your amplitude. So of course, there's one more amplitude that we can derive from this graph is this part. So this part is also a amplitude. Right, so this is also amplitude. Okay, so looking at the picture right here, so this picture right here, so the air particles, so initially there's no sound. So after that, I turn on the speaker, the particles will oscillate parallel to the wave travel. If you look at the green color shaded particles, right, so initially there's no sound, so definitely it must be in the equilibrium position. So after that, I turn on the sound, the particles actually move away or move towards the left hand side of the equilibrium position. So this thing will actually move here. Then after that, you look at the purple particle right here. So the purple particle right here, you can see that, initially it's right here. So after that, you move towards the left hand side from the equilibrium position. Then after that, you look at the light blue particle. So the light blue particle also move. So it will move in this particular direction. So you can see, right, which particle is at their maximum displacement is definitely the purple particle, which I'm referring to this thing right here. Because which arrow or which displacement is the largest from the EQM is actually the purple particle. Alright. So likewise, if you look at the right hand side of this part of the picture, right? Okay. So same thing, the green color particle initially is at the EQM without the sound on, right? So after the sound is on, the particle actually move towards the right hand side. Then for the purple particle, same thing, right? Initially is at here, then after that you move towards the right hand side. Then for the light blue color is initially is at this EQM, next will be at this position. So same thing, right? The purple particle is at the maximum displacement. So this is how I identify which particles is at their maximum displacement, which is known as your amplitude. Alright.